What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Today in this video I will be giving you guys a walking tour of Ocean Beach. Ocean Beach is a very fun place to go and hang out and relax and enjoy the nice San Diego sun. So in this video we're going to be walking, and I'm going to be showing you guys the activities that there are to do at Ocean Beach. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll take a little walk down this area, then we'll show you the pier. I believe this is the longest pier on the entire west coast, if I'm not mistaken. At least in California, I believe. So what would you guys say is your favorite beach in San Diego? I mean, honestly, this including La Jolla, because I haven't been to La Jolla yet as we speak, but I plan on going there after we tour all the other beaches. But I'd probably say it's between Pacific Beach and Ocean Beach. Probably Pacific Beach more for the beach towel, and then probably Ocean Beach for the quality of the beach. I feel like Ocean Beach is the better ocean. Gets the better of the ocean, however you want to say it. Now, of course, I'm not going to show the whole beach town because we got 4 other beaches to check out. Or 3, I should say. And I'd like to have my time to relax on the beach. Well, I'm gonna go and cut, and I'll show you a little bit inland, and then we'll go check out the pier. I don't know if you can hear me over that airplane, but if you can't, I'll just do a voiceover. But I will see you guys when I get more inland. Here we are at downtown Ocean Beach. The pier's over there, where we're gonna check that out later.
So, like, the first one is full.
Waves are pretty good today. I really want to jump in right now. Now the weather's good. Alright, let's go check out the pier now. So I'll see you guys when we get to the pier. Unfortunately, that's going to about wrap it up for today. As you saw at the end of that last clip, we were about to get onto the pier, and what you may be noticing in the background of the video, we will do a full pier walk in the next episode. So stay tuned for that. I'll be doing a whole separate video on doing the pier. But anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Leave your feedback down below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.